light pink color, sky blue color, pink color, orange color, red color, light green color, yellow color, brown color, grey color and black color. Let's learn alphabets. Red color, A for apple. Orange color, B for ball. Yellow color, C for cat. Light green color, D for dog. Sky blue color, E for elephant. Purple color, F for frog. Pink color, G for grapes. Light pink color, H for house. Brown color, I for ice cream. Grey color, J for joker. Red color, K for kite. Orange color, L for lion. Yellow color, M for mango. Light green color, N for nest. Sky blue color, O for orange. Purple color, P for peacock. Pink color, Q for queen. Light pink color, R for rabbit. Brown color, S for sun. Grey color, T for t-shirt. Red color, U for umbrella. Orange color, V for van. Yellow color, W for watch. Light green color, X for X-ray. Sky blue color, Y for yard. Purple color. Z. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.